Welcome my dear student. Let us start our exercise 7C second part. In the first part we study up to the question number 7. So let us start with the question number 8. Question number 8 states that if 13 raised to the power under root x is equal to 4 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 4, 6 raised to power nothing यानी कि 1, then what will be the value of x? तो simply as it is मैंने आपको बताया as it is. ओके मैंने कहा था 1 टर्म बेसिस 4 रेज पावर 4 256 3 रेज पावर 4 81 6 रेज पावर 1 या 6 as it is. Now these are minus 81 and 6 87. So 256 minus 87 answer is 169. And now this is 13th power, so it will be also in the 13th power. So let us write it 13 square. Now it is under root x, it is 2, value are same, base are same, so power will be same. Under root x is equal to 2, so x is equal to square of it, so square of it that is 4. Again सुन लीजिए क्वेश्चन ये था, if 13 root x equal to 4 power 4 minus 3 power 4 minus 6, so what will be the value of x? I simply find out the value of 4 raised power 4, 4, 16, 64, 256. 3 power 4, 3, 9, 27, 81. 6 as it is. These two are negative, यानी कि minus 87 gets subtracted 169. As it is in the terms of the 13, so that let us explain this also in the terms of 13. So that is 13 square. So now 13 root x, 13 square, 13 cancel, root x is equal to 2, so x is equal to 4. That is your answer. Now please come to question number 9, page number 101. 3 raised power 4x, 81 क्या होता है 3 raised to the power 4. यहाँ पे मैंने निकाले थे ना 3 power 4 की 81. तो now naturally power get multiplied 3 power minus. अब ये था 3 raised power 4x और ये है 3 raised power minus 4. तो they will be equal, 4x equal to minus 4. तो on solving x is equal to minus 1. Second value they had given 10 raised power 1 upon y is equal to 0.0001. अब 0.001 if you remove the decimal तो नीचे क्या आ जाएगा 10,000. 10,000 क्या होता है 10 raised to the power 4. ओके और when I will take it to the numerator ये बन जाएगा 10 raised to the power minus 4. Again values are same, base are same, तो powers will also same. 1 upon y is equal to minus 4. तो naturally y is equal to minus 4 इधर आ गया, y तो चलेगा, y is equal to minus 1 by 4. अब उन्होंने कहा ये वैल्यूज आपने निकाली x वैल्यू की, तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू 2 रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस x 16 रेज़ टू द पावर y और 2 रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस x यानी कि माइनस और x की वैल्यू क्या है -1 माइनस का 1 प्लस 16 क्या होता है 2 रेज़ टू द पावर 4 और y की वैल्यू क्या है माइनस का 1 अपॉन 4 पावर मल्टीप्लाई 4 कैंसिल माइनस. नाउ बेस सेम है मल्टीप्लाई है तो पावर विल गेट एडेड 1 and minus 1 cancel 0 or anything power 0 is 1. So that is the answer of question number 9. Please let us revise it again. 3 raised power 4x is 81. 81 is 3 raised power 4. Power multiply minus 4. This is 3 raised power 4x. This is 3 raised power minus 4. So base are same, value are same, power will be same. So 4x is equal to minus 4. On solving x equal to minus 1. Second 10 raised power 1 upon y 0.001. So let me remove the decimal. So it will be 1 divided by 10,000. 10,000 क्या होता है 10 raised power 4. Why I converted to 10 power 4? हालांकि 2 और 5 भी होते हैं. Because this is in the 10. तो let me convert it. जैसे यहाँ 13 था तो I converted it to 13. तो similarly इधर 10 है तो I converted it to 10 to the power 4. It is in the denominator. Let us take to the numerator. It is 10 to the power minus 4. Now value are same. Base are same तो power will also same. 1 upon y is equal to minus 4. तो y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now 2 raised power minus x, 16 raised power y, 2 raised power minus plus 1, 4 into minus 1 by 4, again minus 1. As the base are same, multiply तो power will get added. 1 minus 1 that is 0, that is 1. Okay, I hope you understand question number 4 now. Now let us start question number 10. Now my dear students, let us start question number 10. Question number 10 is 3 into bracket 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 2 raised to power x plus 2 plus 5 is now 3 into 2x 2x 3 into 1 3. This is x plus 2 यानी कि 2 raised to power x multiply with 2 raised to power 2 this plus 5 as it is. Now 3 into 2 raised to power x as it is. ये क्या होता है 2 का स्क्वायर 4 4 into this that is 4 multiplied with 2 raised to power x 3 plus 5 8. Now this 8 here this minus 4 time of 2x here this plus 3 time of 2x here. 2 raised to power x is common what is left 4 what is left 3 4 minus 3 1 and multiply with 1 is useless. Now 8 is 2 cube 8 is 2 cube. Now value are same base are same power will be same so 3 is equal to x. Again please listen, this is the bracket by board mass I multiply here I multiply. This is powers addition and powers addition is coming when you multiply the base power. Plus 5 is equal to 0 as it is. Now this term as it is 2 square is 4 4 into 2x I write it here 3 plus 5 are constant so I add directly so it is 8. Now let 8 as it is and this minus 4 time of 2x here positive this 3 time 2 raised to power x negative. Now 2 raised to power x is common so what is left 4 what is left minus 3 4 minus 3 is 1 so 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 2x so x is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 10. Now let us take question number 11. Question number 11 is a raised to power n whole power n यानी कि पावर मल्टीप्लाई am multiply an यानी कि पावर addition. Now value are same base are same so power will be n mn m plus n. Now they are saying that find the value of this. Now what is this n bracket n minus 1 minus n minus 1. I open it just like formal m into n m into minus 1 minus 1 into n minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Now m into n की वैल्यू आपको पता है m plus n. In place of this I had written m plus n as it is as it is as. This m cancel this m. This m cancel this m. What is left to 1? So that is your answer. I hope you understand. Let me revise again one time for you. Here power is there. Simply you write the formula. Here powers multiplication is simply you write the formula. Now base are same. So value are same. Base are same, so power will be same. So mn will be equal to m plus n. Now they are saying that this is they are not asking. They have just given for your convenience sake how to solve as a content as a hint. Okay. Actual question is evaluate m bracket n minus 1 minus n minus 1 m into n m into minus 1 minus 1 into n minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. After that you know the value of mn. M plus n, so you write here m plus n as it is as it is as it is. Now plus m minus m cancel, plus n minus n cancel. What is left to 1? So that is your answer. I hope there is no any doubt regarding question number 11. Okay? Any doubt please? Sure. Check. So let us revise question number 12. Now my dear student, question number 12. They are saying m is cube root of 50. N is cube root of 40. So actually if this is cube root when it shift here it will become power 3. It is cube root when it shift here it will become power 3. M cube is 15 n cube is 40. Now this is 15 this is 40 so naturally n cube minus n cube will be 15 minus 40. फिर मुझे याद आया n cube minus n cube का फॉर्मूला होता है a cube minus b cube a minus b a square plus b square plus a is equal to 1. फिर मैंने क्वेश्चन में देखा तो क्वेश्चन में मेरा जो पार्ट पूछा था m स्क्वायर प्लस mn अलग पूछा हुआ था. तो मैंने क्या किया प्लीज इस m स्क्वायर प्लस mn को उस साइड ले जाकर नीचे लिखा. तो दैट इज m स्क्वायर प्लस mn. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ m माइनस n. अब मैं आया आपके क्वेश्चन में. इन दिस क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग m माइनस n माइनस 1 अपॉन m स्क्वायर प्लस n स्क्वायर. तो मैंने कहा एज इट इज माइनस एज इट और इसकी वैल्यू मुझे पता थी. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस m माइनस n. ओके एज इट इज माइनस प्लस माइनस 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 प्लस. Now m cancel, n cancel, nothing is left, so that is g. अगेन प्लीज सुन लीजिए, क्वेश्चन था रूट्स का, रूट्स में हम काम करना पसंद नहीं करते, तो आई टेक द क्यूब एंड रूट कैंसिल. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ रूट, आई टेक द क्यूब एंड रूट कैंसिल. नाउ दिस इज एम क्यूब माइनस एन क्यूब फार्मूला शेप, या एम क्यूब प्लस एन क्यूब भी हो सकता था, लेकिन एम क्यूब प्लस एन क्यूब के फार्मूले में मैं इस जगह पे माइनस एम एन मिलता है, जबकि मुझे यहाँ पे प्लस एम एन चाहिए था, तो मैंने एम क्यूब माइनस एन क्यूब को प्रेफरेंस दिया. राइट. दूसरा कारण ये था, अगर मैं एम क्यूब प्लस एन क्यूब करता तो ये 15 प्लस 40 29 हो जाता, जबकि मुझे ऊपर क्या चाहिए था 1. तो 1 कब आएगा, जब 15 माइनस 40. तो नाउ तो दिस m माइनस n here, this is here of multiplication, when it shift there it goes to the denominator. This is my simple simplification of my given content. फिर मैं आगे आपके क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन था m माइनस n माइनस 1 अपॉन m स्क्वायर प्लस एम एन प्लस n स्क्वायर. तो मैंने m आई एज इट इज माइनस n एन, ये वाला जो ब्रैकेट था इसकी वैल्यू जो थी यहाँ पर, ये जो ब्रैकेट था इसकी वैल्यू क्या थी, ब्रैकेट m माइनस n. तो आई राइट है ब्रैकेट m माइनस n. After that by BODMAS I open as it is minus plus minus 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 plus. So this plus n cancel this minus n, this minus n cancel this plus n, so nothing is left, that is 0. So this is your answer. I hope hand it out. Sure. चलिए let us start question number 30. Now my dear student, this is very easy, but this question requires the most attention, because small terms, small power and large number, you can understand from here it goes up to there. So naturally more attention is required, so please watch each and everything very minutely. This is the question. I write 2 raised to the power n. 6 क्या होता है, but it is 2 into 3. 6 is 2 into 3, तो this 6 2 raised power m plus 1, 3 raised power m plus 1. 10 क्या होता है, 2 into 5, तो this 2 raised to the power m minus 1, 5 raised to the power m minus 1. 15 क्या होता है, 3 into 5, तो this 3 raised power m plus n minus 2, this 5 raised power m plus n minus 2. 4 क्या होता है, 2 square as 25 क्या होता है, 5 square m minus 1 as it is. After that, now let us collect the terms. These 2 are in multiplication, these 3 are in multiplication, these 5 are in multiplication, so power will be n. So firstly 2's power, this m plus 1 and this m minus n. Now 3's power, this m plus 1, this m plus n minus 2. Now 5's power, this m minus n and this m plus n minus 2. Here power multiplied 2m, power multiplied 2m minus 2. Right? Now let us simplify. Now better listen, please. This n and this n cancel. So what is left? 2m plus 1. Similarly here, please, m plus m 2m plus n and 1 minus 2 minus cover. Now come to the 5. This minus n, this plus n cancel. So what is left? M plus n, 2m and minus 2. Come to the denominator as it is. Now these are in division, so power will get subtracted. So let us subtract this 2m plus 1 minus this 2m, so what is left? 1. This 2m subtracted, 3 subtracted, so what is left? Minus 1. This 2m subtracted, minus 2 subtracted, what is left? 0. This as it is, this go to the denominator, become power 1, and anything power 0 is 1. 2 raised power 1, 2, 2 1 ja 2, 3 raised power 1, 3, so this is your answer. Again I am telling you, this is a very easy question, but it requires maximum attention in comparison to the other question, because the large number of terms are there. So please, firstly दिस 2 रेज पावर n एज इट इज। 6 क्या होता है 2 into 3, तो 2 को भी m plus 1 मिल गया, 3 को भी m plus 1 मिल गया। 10 क्या होता है 2 into 5, 2 को भी m minus n मिल गया, 5 को भी m minus n मिल गया। 15 क्या होता है 3 into 5, 3 को भी m plus n minus 2 मिल गया, 5 को भी m plus n minus 2। नीचे 4 क्या होता है 2 square whole power n as it is। 25 क्या होता है 5 square whole power m minus 1। now here power multiplied 2m as it is, power multiplied 2 into m, 2 into minus 1। न्यूमरेटर में थोड़ा सा आपको अटेंशन देनी है। सबसे पहले ये देखिए 2 वाली टर्म्स की पावर क्या है। 2 वाली टर्म्स है 1 2 3, तो मैंने ये वाला n, ये वाला m plus 1 और ये वाला m minus n इकट्ठा है। 3 की 2 टर्म्स थी, तो दिस m plus 1 और दिस m plus n minus 2 मैंने इकट्ठा किया। 5 की भी 2 टर्म थी, दिस m minus n और दिस m plus n minus 2 मैंने कंबाइन। आफ्टर दैट लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई। नाउ दिस प्लस n, दिस माइनस n कैंसल, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट 2m plus 1। हियर दिस इज 2m, दिस इज n and 1 minus 2 minus 1। here n cancel, 2m minus 2 and this denominator as it is। now let us, because they are in the denominator like a division, so they will be subtracted। 2m subtracted, what is left 1। 2m n subtracted, what is left minus 1। 2m 2 subtracted, what is left 0। 2 raised power 1 as it is, 3 raised power minus 1 go to the denominator to make it positive। 5 raised power 0 is 1, 2 raised power 1 2, 2 1 ja 2, 3 raised power 1 3 as it is, so 2 upon 3 is your answer। I hope you understand। Okay everybody, let us go toward the next question। now my dear student, question number 14, page number 104। x raised power q, x raised power r whole power 1 upon q, x raised power r, x raised power p whole power 1 upon pr, x raised power p, x power q whole power 1 upon pq। you know that these are in the division, so power will get subtracted। these are in division, so power gets subtracted। these are in division, so power gets subtracted। now power get multiplied। q multiply with 1 upon qr minus r multiply with 1 upon q। r multiply with 1 upon pr minus p multiply with 1 upon pr। p multiply with 1 upon pq minus q multiply with 1 upon pq। after that q cancel 1 upon r cancel 1 upon q, r cancel 1 upon p, p cancel 1 upon r, p cancel 1 upon q, q cancel 1 upon p। now base are same, so on multiplication powers will get added। so 1 upon r minus 1 upon q plus 1 upon p minus 1 upon r plus 1 upon q minus 1 upon p। now what you are getting, positive 1 upon r, negative 1 upon r cancel, positive 1 upon q, negative 1 upon q cancel, positive 1 upon p, negative 1 upon p cancel, everything is cancel x0 and anything power 0 is 1। again please listen to me, this is the question। these are in division, so power gets subtracted q minus r। these are in division, power gets subtracted r minus p। these are in division, power gets subtracted p minus q। now when we multiply this, q multiply with 1 upon qr minus r multiply with 1 upon qr, r multiply with 1 upon pr minus p multiply with 1 upon pr, p multiply with 1 upon pq minus q multiply with 1 upon pq। now here q cancel 1 upon r cancel 1 upon q, r cancel 1 upon p, p cancel 1 upon r, p cancel 1 upon q, q cancel 1 upon p। now multiplication is there and the base are same x, so naturally powers will be added। so on adding these power I am getting this, these two, these two, these two। now this 1 upon r minus 1 upon r cancel, this 1 upon q, that 1 upon q cancel, this 1 upon p, that 1 upon p cancel, so anything is not left, तो यानी कि पावर इज 0 and when power is 0 answer is 1. Okay, now come to the question number 15. Okay, now question number 15 first part. A raised power minus 1 upon a minus 1 b minus 1 plus a minus 1 again a minus 1 minus b minus 1 r. So सबसे पहले this we have to show, so there is no need to think about that. Let us think about the that side. A raised power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon a. A raised power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon a. B raised power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon b. This a minus 1 can be written as 1 upon a. This a minus 1 can be written as 1 upon a. This b minus 1 can be written as 1 upon a. Now let us take LCM of denominator. तो b मल्टीप्लाई है a मल्टीप्लाई है म्यूचुअल मल्टीप्लाई, b मल्टीप्लाई है a मल्टीप्लाई है म्यूचुअल मल्टीप्लाई. फिर आपको पता है when fraction go to the numerator it become reciprocal. तो this b plus a come to denominator, this ab go to numerator, this ab go to the numerator and this b plus b minus a go to the denominator. Again by chance a cancel, what is left b upon this, what is left b upon this. Now again let us take the LCM. This b minus a multiply with this b, this b plus a multiply with this b and upon both multiply, that is b square minus b square. Now b into b, b square minus ab, b into b, b square plus a. Minus ab plus ab cancel, b square 2b square and denominator is already h. So this is your answer. Let me repeat it again. Okay, this is the question. So where the minus powers are there, I take them to denominator to make them positive. Now these are the two terms, so I take calcium. These are the two terms, I take calcium. When it go to the numerator, so what happens? This denominator come to numerator and this numerator go to denominator. In this denominator go to the numerator and this denominator go to, so numerator go to the denominator. A cancel, b is left, a cancel, b is left. Again I go for the LCM. This multiply there and mutual multiply. Mutual multiply b plus a, b minus a by formula b square minus a square. और वही मेरे को आंसर में चाहिए था, इसलिए डिनोमिनेटर की बात तो हो गई खत्म. अब रह गया न्यूमरेटर. तो आई ओपन द ब्रैकेट, b इंटू बी बी स्क्वायर, b इंटू माइनस ए बी, b इंटू बी स्क्वायर, b इंटू ए. नाउ माइनस ए बी प्लस ए बी कैंसल, b स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर 2b स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर, दैट इज द आंसर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टडी द सेकंड पार्ट. Now my dear student, question number 15, this is equal to this. So what I do, first I multiply this a minus b to abc, this b1 minus c1 to abc, this minus c minus 1 a minus 1 to abc. Now you minus power का मतलब होता है come to denominator, minus powers का मतलब होता है come to denominator, minus powers का मतलब होता है come to denominator. Now AB cancel, what is left C, BC cancel, what is left A, CA cancel, what is left B. So C plus A plus B is your answer. I hope you understand. Okay, again सुन लीजिए. Firstly I cross multiply here. After that what I find out, power negative go to the denominator. When it go to denominator it cancel the numerator power. So what is that? Only C, only A, only B. That is your answer. Let us start the last question of the exercise. Now my dear students, the last question होना तो ये चाहिए the most difficult one, but this is the easiest one. So let us go ahead with that. 216, 6 is power 3 as it is. 256, 4 is power 4 as it is. 243, 3 is power 5 as it is. Now power get multiplied, only minus 2, power multiply only minus 3, power multiply only minus 1. This minus 2 go up power, this minus 3 go up power, this minus 1 go up power 1. After that 6 square is 36, 4 square cube is 64 and 3 power 1 is 3. 436 ja 144, 164 ja 64, 2 3 ja 6. Now 144 plus 64 plus 6 add करेंगे 214. That is your answer. Again listen. This is the question. I convert it into the prime factor cube 4 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5. After that I multiply the power, multiply the power, multiply the power. These negative power when go to the numerator positive, go to the numerator positive, go to the numerator positive. After that 6 square की value, 4 cubes value and 3 power 1 value. After that these multiply 144, this multiply 64, this multiply 6 and on addition answer is 240. So this is the end of the chapter. You are requested to complete it क्योंकि may be possible by Sunday I will start the Google Classroom and with the help of which same day you have to upload your classwork. Understand? So I hope you will be ready for that day and please be careful. The answer is 214. Thank you. Have a nice day.